Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay coconut rum. It's 90 proof, and it's a product out of New York, New York. Ounce and a half of your Parrot Bay coconut rum. And I'm going to top it off with this Mountain Dew citrus blackberry flavored soda. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Master at Arms First Class Jeffery Diaz. Jeffery passed away on November 22nd, 2025 at the age of 47. He served in the Navy stationed at the Pacific Missile Range Facility. He entered the water to rescue his 9-year-old son who was struggling in the high surf. The child made it back to shore safely. Jeffery was pulled from the water and life-saving measures were being performed. He was rushed to the local hospital where he was pronounced deceased. He called Florida home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Wow, that is above a 10 out of 10. The Parrot Bay Coconut Rum, 90 proof. I like this one is because it has a higher proof than most other rums out there. And mixed with this citrus blackberry, it just brings out the blackberry and the citrus from the soda even more. This is a fantastic combination. Never drink to forget, always drink to remember. Jeffrey, may you rest in peace. Excellent. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.